Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. We're just insulating between the floors here, and I've dropped the downlights down. They're going to replace those with normal fixtures, and the owner's just walking around upstairs. Can you hear that? Yep. So she's making a fair bit of noise on the floor now, and when we're finished we'll just compare that to how much noise comes through when we're all done. Yeah, that's a fair bit of noise coming through from people walking upstairs. So anyway, we'll pump the floor and we'll see how it goes from there.